Hey Mellie Dee Dees, I'm back with another video and I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. Hey. Today, I'm not making a meal. I'm just making a snack. I'm making some queso. Oh my gosh. And it's so easy. Y'all gonna be like, damn, I should have made this. But if you're having a big party, this is great. I'm not making it for a big party. I'm just making it for my family because I just really had a taste for it. So I'm gonna show you everything you need. Doritos, some ground beef because I got a small cheese. If you're doing a big party, you want to get the big cheese. This is the small cheese. And this is the white queso. I usually get the regular yellow Velveeta block cheese just like this. This is my first time trying this queso, this white one. So that's that. And because I got the small one, I'm just going to use half of this ground beef. If you do the big block of cheese, you want to use the full ground beef, okay? And the same with this Rotel. I got the hot one. You can also get mild, but because I got the small cheese, I'm just going to use half of the Rotel. If you get the big cheese, you want to use the full can of Rotel. And this is it's just diced tomatoes with peppers and stuff. So we're gonna ground the beef and we're gonna put the cheese on the stove to get that cooking. So stay tuned. All right, now that we ground our beef, I'm going to open up the cheese. And just cut it into chunks. Hold on. Then you get the peppers. All right, so now that we got our ground beef, we're gonna get a pot, crank it on, put a little chilies in there. And you can put however much you want. I just put half the can. I may add some more if I want, and then you just add it. So the cheese is added, the heat's on low. I'm gonna go ahead and add the ground beef. All right, so this is it stirred up. I'm actually gonna add the rest of the peppers, the Rotel.
Awesome! One day you can join our rescue.
So it's just about done. Once, like if you see it bubbling on the sides, that's when you know it's done. You don't need to cover it or anything because it's just melting down. So yeah, this is the finished product. And I'm also about to fry some French fries up because this is bomb on some French fries. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. Look at that goodness. Alright, so then you just serve it. It smells so good. Get some Doritos. And enjoy. Kenzo, you want some? Ew. Kenzo, why you say ew? Why you don't like it? Well, don't mind if I did. I'll take the first bite. Nice and meaty. Oh yeah, spicy Rotel is where it's at. Ooh, got a nice spice to it. Y'all, this is the easiest, best potluck dish if you're having a party or if you just want something to snack on like my ass do. I've just been wanting this. I got the oil on, deep fry, about to fry me up some french fries and call it a night. This is so good, y'all. Perfect amount of everything. Perfect amount of cheese, peppers, and meat. So use half the ground beef and use the whole thing of peppers. So if you're doing the big one, get the bigger thing of peppers. Because that was the small can. You can get the bigger can if you're doing the big one. It's so good, y'all. I'm about to wrap this video up because I don't want this to be long. If y'all make this, please let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell, ding, 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 so you get the notification every time I upload a motherfucking what video. I holla.